What's going on, you guys? So, I think I'm gonna cut this trunk up. Yeah, let's cut the trunk up. So one thing I've been wanting to do this trunk for a while is cut a couple of nice big vents in it. And I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. Don't know why, but no better time than the present. So yeah, let's mark it out and start cutting, I guess. So first things first, I gotta get this all cleaned up because there ain't no way any tape or anything is gonna stick to this. So I do need to put a tape outline on it. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and wiped down first. Using this Mother's R3 Racing rubber remover. I don't know if it works good on paint, but I know it works damn well on vinyl. I use this stuff to keep the white GTO clean, so. God, this shit's dirty. Alright, I think we need to come up with some kind of like makeshift guide here to keep this straight across here. So I'm going to cut out a little line guide, then kind of tape the marker to it. That way I can just kind of hold it and drag it along. So let's see how it turns out. I don't have high hopes. In. And mark on this side. Alright, so you can see now I have my marks with little arrows pointing at them. So that's one corner, another corner, another corner. And that's going to be the triangulation of that vent. Another one there, there, and there. And that'll be the triangulation of that vent. And then we are going to lose some radius here once we square all this up. So we're going to draw a square triangular outline through all this. Except for this, we're going to leave this nice curve here. But we're going to radius this to about, I don't know, probably like 2.5 inch radius maybe. And then, yeah, that'll actually take a little bit of the, you know, the cut's not going to come all the way out to that. That's just the point of triangulation. So now the next thing I need to do, outline all that stuff, and then start lining up where I'm going to cut the holes in the corners. Alright, we're going to do a small intermission here in the middle of all this cutting and grinding to talk about why exactly we would do this. Why are we cutting the trunk up on this car? You know, maybe for a little bit of airflow. Although the back of the car is so open, it's not going to make much of a difference. But mainly just for aesthetics, you know. I've seen it done on cars in the past. I kind of wanted to do it on my GTO, but the way the wing wasn't really feasible. So something I've always wanted to do. Thought it looked cool, so yeah, we're chopping the trunk up. Now, let's get back to chopping. And just like that, it is all cut up, good to go. Couple spots I do need to touch up. You know, I tried to go in there and clean it up the best I could. I do need to go in there with a file, maybe clean a couple of these edges up a little bit. And I do need to do the mesh grading. So we're gonna have like a mesh grading up under here to clean it up. Just make it look nice and give it a good finished look. So once it's all wrapped with the rest of the car, should look good. So, I mean, if you can't tell, I did try to put a little bit more effort into this video. Recorded a lot more, edited a lot more, trying to do that for you guys. So let me know down in the comments if you think I should do this more often. It does take a lot more work in setting up and editing and all that stuff. So I mean, cutting this stuff out and doing this job in itself, if I would have just gone ahead and banged it out, doing this probably would have only taken me, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes, if that, to do. But with setting the camera up, recording everything, having to go back through and edit everything, I'm gonna have probably over an hour, 2 hours of video I'm gonna need to go through and edit. So I'm gonna have to spend another hour and a half doing that. Not complaining, totally worth it. But you know, if you guys like it and it'd be more worth it and you want to see me do more videos like this, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do more videos like this one, more in-depth, kind of just setting the camera up, little bit of you know, not a time lapse like I've been doing, but actually, you know, editing footage. So let me know what you think. If I should do more videos like this, then I will. But for now, you guys know the routine. That's gonna be it for this one. I'm done. We're done. We did it. We did it. We're done. So yeah, that's it for this one. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know, we got a big build going on here, nearing completion. Go back through the whole series and watch some other episodes if you want to. And till the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Break my fucking wrist.
I was about to say, I about broke my wrist with that drill down here in the car, man. That thing will fucking get
you. Piece of shit Harbor Freight tools.